Canoecopia with the North Country Trail booth on Friday night, and working with me on the early shift is Ed.
Mr. Ed.
Ed from the Schram chapter. Tell us what's going on here, Ed.
A little slack right now, but the big crowd's going to be tomorrow, and they're going to clean us out of brochures.
Yes. Ed's been talking about the Schram chapter. Here's our messy table right here. And over here, I got Toby. Toby's beginning his shift here.
Yep.
Do you have anything, words of wisdom for us?
Hike the North Country Trail.
There we go. And they're letting out the seminars right now, so we're getting a herd of people coming at us. So I better shut off the video. I'd like to thank Ed and Toby for coming and helping out at the booth.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it, and good seeing everybody and talking about the trail. It's getting late. We got Sandy here. And who's this? I forgot your name already. What? Betsy. And are you both, you had the yurt in Munising. Yes. Do you have a yurt?
No, I do not.
What is your big distinction if you don't have a yurt?
I don't have any distinction with outdoors at all.
Well, she'll have to get a distinction pretty soon. But anyway, we got our Ice Age Trail people over here.
Yay!
Things are kind of winding down, and these guys are saving Utah over there. Right there, they're saving Utah. So that's what's going on. It's Friday night, and it's getting to be almost quitting time pretty soon. So take it from there. All right.
Well,
you are gonna be on my next video. Hey, it's T-Man. I'm at Canoecopia. It's Saturday morning. The parking lot is getting filled up. We got lots of business here at the North Country Trail booth. Kevin was just pointing out something on the map to this lady right here. We got Connie down at the end there. It's T-Man at Canoecopia, and we're at the North Country Trail booth. We got Peter over there helping a future hiker for us right there. We got Risha right here working the booth, and we got Bill over here, and me. Just wanted to say hi to everybody, and we had some big news in Wisconsin this past week that we're going to be extending the trail right at the Minnesota border. Bill's going to talk a little bit about that.
Okay, so yeah, that piece of trail has been held up for a couple of years or so now because the Superior Hiking Trail built their section to the Minnesota border, to the Minnesota-Wisconsin border. And we had to get some approval from the Wisconsin DNR to build our side of the trail. And that has taken us some time to do that. But this past week, they actually approved the master plan for that piece of property, and we have the permission to build trail through there. So we will be doing that beginning in late April if the snow melts.
So that's really, really great news. We got some people piling up over here that we need to talk to. But how far will the trail extend out from Minnesota? Is it going to be like out the road or something?
Yeah, it'll come out to the first road in Wisconsin, which is County W. And it's about a mile and a half worth of trail in Wisconsin.
Okay.
And from there, it's a short road walk to get to the next completed piece of trail.
Macquarie is like 3 miles or so. So that's great news. We got to get back to our people here and get them acquainted with the trail. Hey, I'm at Canoecopia. And here's our crew right now. We got a little bit of what would you call it, a break in the action right now. Everybody, I'm here with Kevin Schram, and we're talking about, we're at Canoecopia. It's kind of winding down here, and we're talking with Kevin about his great new campsite plan for the Schwamigan, which might happen this year. So tell us about it, Kevin.
The prospect of building 7 campsites in the Schwamigan National Forest to provide backpacking campsites along the North Country Trail, because there are such sites on either side of us, and in the middle it's just dispersed camping. So if people want to plan a longer backpacking trip, these campsites will give them 130 miles of trail in Wisconsin to have whatever length of trip you want, even if it's a very long backpacking experience. So, excited about it.
Yeah, it's really, really good, and I think it's a great plan. And you know, the Schram chapter needs some help with that. I mean, in a day you can build a backpacking campsite. It's not that it is work. You have to clear stuff, but and make maybe like put in some structures for benches and stuff like that. But we built the gold mine.
We've done it together.
Yeah, we've done it. We've done it before in less than a day. So
Todd, Ellie, and I, and Margaret.
yeah, we did it, and so you can help out with that. That would be great. It's a great plan, and I think it's going to be great for backpacking in Wisconsin. All right, we're finishing up our meal at here's Tully's two on Monona Drive. And we're all finished and had a good meal, good conversation, and all that good stuff. So, in the middle of the snowstorm.
Yeah.
All right, we're heading out. See you in the morning. Hey everybody. It's the end of Canoecopia. I'm coming in the back door, just gonna come. Everybody's taking their stuff out here. Everything's moving out of here. And
You take care. Take it easy.
yeah, everybody's saying goodbye to their friends and getting the heck out of here. Right there. Those little carts are premium right now. But the show's over. I just came back to kind of check the area, make sure I didn't forget anything. Sometimes when you're loading up, it gets a little huffy. And just want to make sure that my booth is all right. Hi. And so this is what it looks like when they're taken down. And we're coming out to the lobby right now. See what's left of the lobby. I don't think there's hardly anything out here. Just want to say thanks to all my volunteers. We had Ellie and Kevin today from the Schram chapter. Ed Barak, believe he's with the Schram chapter 2. He's more of a backpacker, and this is one of the things he helps out with. You see this down here. So just coming down, a lot of people are gone here. A lot of people are gone. The Ice Age show people are still here. So, Amy's still packing up down here, I guess. Hello, how you guys doing? Oh, maybe it's not Amy, maybe it's somebody else using their table. It looks like. Alright, so I'm just looking around, seeing if anything. Hi, how you doing?
Good.
You're looking at your next canoe trip, okay? Dreaming, yeah. All right, good seeing you.
All right.
Yeah, there's just a couple guys looking at some maps. But the show's over. We had a good weekend. Peter Norgren was here today. Gaylord was here today. So we thank all those people and all the people that were here yesterday too. So, and Friday night. And just double checking to see everything in our area is all right.